So I just finished rough turning a beech bowl, and that wood was very, very wet. And as you can see, in less than an hour, my bedways have started to rust. So if you're going to turn wet wood, you need to be mindful and take care of your bedways once you're finished. So I cleaned up all the shavings, swept everything off, and now I'm going to use this WD-40 manual pumper spray and then a Scotch-Brite pad, and I'm going to just clean off all the surface rust, and then once that's complete I'll put down a layer of lubricating oil to give the bedways a protective layer against further rusting oxidation. Don't forget to get underneath your tailstock. There's hidden rust potentially there as you move it back and forth. So once I get all the surface rust up, I'll wipe it off and then put down lubricating oil. So I have this 3-in-1 dry lube that I spray on, and just use a clean shop rag and completely coat bedways. And that'll keep them from rusting. And it'll help your banjo and tailstock slide. And that's it.